So what we'll do next is just refactor our form fields so that they're all using our new reusable text input components. So what we'll do is we'll change each one of these to a field, and we can remove the onChange handler from each of these components. And for now we're just going to keep these as text fields. So I'm just going to remove the rows, and I'm going to specify the components in here as our text input. We'll create a text area input very shortly, but for now, let's just use the text input components on all of these. So for the category, once again, I'll just change this to a field, and instead of the onChange handler, I'll just paste in the text input component for this as well. Again, this is a field that we'll be creating a different type of field for, and this will be a selection field. The date field, we'll change this one as well. We'll just remove the onChange and just paste in our text inputs. I'm also going to take out the type for this particular field as well. We will be adding a proper date picker very shortly anyway. And then we just need to do the same for our city. So we'll make this a field, swap the onChange for the components, and just do the same for our venue, and once again just use our text input in here as well. So with this in place, we no longer need our onChange handler, and we can remove our handle input change. So let's get rid of this as well. And for our handle submit, we'll just keep this commented out and inside our file at this moment. But let's make sure our form is working first of all. So I'm just going to add some random text in each of these fields just to make sure that we get all of our fields outputs into our console. And if I submit the form, then I can see inside here we get our category, the city, the date, the description, the title, and the venue. So that's working fine. And what we'll do next is we'll create another reusable input for our description field, and we'll take a look at that next.